T, 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 D, 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 T and D, hello company.
Hi, boys and girls, my name is T. Boys and girls, my name is D. Yeah! Hi, D. Hi, T. How you doing, T? I'm well, thank you. You? I'm great too, thank you. Look at our tie. I know, it looks so cool. Boys and girls, our new word of the day is going to be the word race car. Every time he hears the word race car, he'll get excited. Our new toy is a race car. Yeah, 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 yeah. Race car, yeah. We're gonna have so much fun with our race car. Yeah, 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 race car, yeah. Let's go get a cool close-up, D. Yeah, let's go. Wow, D, that was such a cool close-up of our toy race car! Yeah, 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 yeah! Race car, yeah! Did you think so too, D? Yeah, I did. It's so cool. Yeah! Alright, let's spell the word of the day for our boys and girls. Can I go first, please? Of course you may. Thank you. R A C E C A R. Great work, D. Thanks, D. Now it's your turn. Thank you. You're welcome. R A C E C A R. Great work. Thank you. You're welcome. Race car. Yeah. Race car. Yeah. Let's go play with our new toy, D. Yeah, let's go. I'm so excited. Yeah. toy race car. Yeah, race car, yeah. Did you, D? Yeah, I did. It's so cool, yeah. All right, let's tell the boys and girls one really cool color our toy is. Yeah, can I go first, please? Of course you may. Thank you. Yellow! Great work, D. Thanks, D. Now it's your turn. Thank you. Welcome. Yellow! Great work. Thank you. Welcome. Race car! Yeah! Race car! Yeah! All right, D. Let's tell the boys and girls a special feature our toy has. Yeah, let's do it together. Great idea. Yeah! Our toy has 4 wheels, D, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, D? Yeah, our toy has 4 wheels. Yeah! Race car! Yeah! Race car! Yeah! Boys and girls, that's all for today. See you next time, and please press like and subscribe. Right, D? Yeah, boys and girls, see you next time. Please press like and subscribe, please. Yeah! Bye for now.
See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. Goodbye, company.